Okay, Aaron.
Hello.
What day is it today?
I actually don't know the date. I lose track of the days. It is a special day. That should definitely. It's Friday.
And here's what I'm wearing, my slop pajamas. And this is what Aaron's wearing.
I did try dressing up. Friday, July 11th. But I did try dressing up. Let me explain this to you. I woke up this morning. I was like, I'm hanging out with Teresa. I should dress up. I should do my hair really well. And I was still a little bit tired, so I went to my mirror and I was like, I'm looking pretty good. And I did my hair, and I was like, this is fucking sick. I went on the motorcycle, my hair fucked up, and I didn't look as good as I thought I did. So I'm not looking too good.
Alright, and it's July 11th, 2014.
I already said that.
But it happened on like 7:15ish. That I sneezed and I'm carrying it in here. I sneezed really. There's a lot of snot and unexpected snot, right? And I sneezed in this little thing. And now I walk to the Mortons.
I was really embarrassed because I was there.
He sneezed on me, and then I sneezed back. But it was kind of like a growl sneeze, like, you are fucking retarded. Phew.
You're an idiot.
That's all I said. That's my response. You're an idiot. But,
Hey, look at the wheel.
it's kind of painful.
Can you videotape my wheel for a second?
I don't want to videotape the wheel. Fuck. And we're leaving now. My butt.
No, we're not. I want to talk to the fucking camera. Aaron Smith, do love this girl. You ruined it. Oh, look, the bike's too high for her.
It feels like it's bruised.
Her nose, that is.
Look how beautiful that Mazda is.
That's a Kia. So, I taught her how to ride a bike, and she doesn't know how to ride it because she's stupid.
Okay, bye. Bye, special day, love yous. Oh. Turn it off.
No.
Turn it off.
Hi, guys.
Stop it, Aaron.
You're cute.
Stop.
You're cute, too. I love you.
Oh, no,
I don't.
I just threw that in there. At you.
I'd rather not.